Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am here with the spring/Easter makeup tutorial. It's super easy to do, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And yeah, that's all I have to say. If you guys want to see how to get this look right here, let's go ahead and get started. Jumping right into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking this light pink shade and buffing that directly into my crease using the Morphe M504 brush. It's going to help to blend all the other shades later on. Now going into that same palette, I'm taking this peachy orangey pink shade with a flat brush. This is the MAC 242 brush, and I'm packing that directly onto my lid, and I keep packing this color on until I get the intensity that I would like it to be. With that same color, I'm taking the Morphe M573 brush, and I'm blending this directly into my crease. Going back into that same fluffy brush with no additional color, I'm making sure to blend out under the harsh edges, and then going back in with that same shade and repacking that all over my entire lid. Now I'm taking the Hard Candy Walk the Line glitter liner. I'm just following my crease and making a line halfway. I'm going to pop on the Ardell 250s, and now I'm going to prime the face using the Loreal True Match Lumi Glotion. This one is in the shade Fair Glow. For foundation, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. Mine is in the shade Light Sand. To highlight as well as conceal, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This one is in the shade Fair. I'm applying that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and down the center of my face. To set all of that, I'm taking my RCMA No Color Translucent Powder, and I'm taking my same sponge and packing this wherever I put that concealer as well as the rest of my face. To finish up the eyes, I'm going back with that same shade and applying this from inner to outer corner of my lash line, and then popping on some mascara. Then going back in with that palette and taking this light pink shimmer shade and apply that to my inner corner as well as my brow bone. To bronze up the skin, I'm taking the Forage Mirage Filter by Marc, and I'm taking the darker side with my MAC 135 brush, and I'm just bronzing up the outside of my skin. For blush, I'm going to the Pixi x Chole Romantic Radiance palette and taking the shade Bouquet, and I'm applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Now taking the Pixi x Dulce Sweet Glow palette, I'm taking the shade Brilliant with my Morphe M438 brush. Then going in with the Hard Candy setting spray, I'm spraying my face and taking my damp sponge and patting all that in. For lips, to line them, I'm taking my NYX Pale Pink lip liner. And lastly, for lips, I'm taking the NYX Matte Lip Cream in the shade Spirit. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.